This is what I usually take to the schools because it's small. I can show you another one. This is another screen. I use huge wooden frame. This is a clothes hanger. You'll see it can stand by itself. It is a lot bigger, which means you're going to have to use a bigger puppet. This is the lamp facing the screen, and this is our dimmer. As you can see, you can adjust the intensity of the light. And I put a foam again. When you want your character to sit like this, I just clipped it so that I can remove it later on. We want to establish that this part is the river. So what I did was to get some transparencies and just marked it some waves here with a pencil pen. Artificial leaves, and I just made sure it's flat. I attached an umbrella rod when you use the Christmas lights. But if you don't have it, you can just use a regular clip. I clip it here. We have several trees. The tree is made of the plastic casing, and I just use the pencil pen to color the tree. I use the hanger, sticking this part out. We have two trees that are identical. The first one, we established that the turtle has an abundance of banana. We have a jackfruit. The jackfruit I was referring to is durian, found in the Philippines. Spiked shell. This is our tree. All the props are always hooked or rod. At one point, they decided to cut the tree. This is the part of the root. The upper part, that's the banana peel. Oh, it's a soft cloth. We're going to make the turtle. This is how we're going to make the turtle. Since we're using it for the screen, a sketch paper will be ideal. The colors will show. And a little circle here. And in the meantime, I'm going to use the X-Acto knife and take this area of the eye so that it will really show in the screen. This is a plastic casing. If you don't have, you can save the plastic from containers like this flat surface. Use this double stick tape instead of a glue. Slide the head. This is irrigation tubing, and I also cut for 2 inches of this. I attached the handles, and I made sure it's not blocking the head when it slides. The tape is not sturdy enough, so I'm going to sew using a floss. Turtle. In our first play, The Monkey and the Crocodile, we were using the overhead projectors, so the monkey is small. Now in the screen is twice as big, so you have to make the silhouette bigger. Instead of using this material, I'm going to use a manila envelope. The drawing of the monkey is a lot smaller. What you need to do is go to a copier and make it bigger, 200% bigger. The leg and the arm. I'm going to show you another way to fasten these. This is a trimmer line. I'm going to use the nail to make the holes bigger. Okay, just enough to melt so that when you push it, it's not going to go through. I melted just the tip. At the back, it's very long. I'm going to cut this. You don't want it to cut too short that you're going to burn the silhouette. Just have to be careful. Some of you might have a lot of these bamboo stakes, and if you don't have the umbrella rod, which has already a hole, you can use a safety pin, a small safety pin, and just put it